we present you a new video. How to fix a BMW tail light. What could be the cause and what you need to fix it yourself. In this video, I'll show you how to fix problems with the rear lights on a BMW, what can cause them, and how you can solve it yourself. This time we're working on a BMW 3 Series GT 34. You can easily see that all the lights are working, except for the ones on the left rear tail light. To fix this, just remove the two 10mm nuts and pull the tail light straight back to take it out. After unplugging the connector, we can see that one of the pins on the bulb holder is melted. I'll use a new bulb holder with the part number 1205201. This is what the piece looks like. I'll use an original BMW repair kit with the part number 6113 2,359,993. You can see that it includes the electrical connector, pins, and the seals against water and moisture. To remove the electrical pins, you need to slide the purple piece out about 3 to 4 millimeters. For each electrical pin, press the locking system, then try to release it by gently lifting the locking tab with a screwdriver. Do this for each pin, placing them into the new connector in the same positions as they were on the old one. The melted pin will come out much harder, so you'll need to pull it a bit more firmly after releasing the locking system. Cut the old pin, move the moisture protection piece, then use a special plier to cut the old pin. Strip the wire to expose the conductor so you can install a new pin. Install the new pin and place it in its position on the new connector. To avoid stressing the newly installed wire, strip about 10 to 15 centimeters of the wiring near the connector, then re-insulate it with another piece of electrical tape. Cover the empty spots in the connector with the dummy pins from the repair kit. Install the bulbs into the new bulb holder. We do a test and see that everything works correctly. The lights turn on as they should, so the problem is fixed. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. In order, do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.